This project is called the DAWless Orchestra, and it's one of our favorite activities in a full day student or teacher electronic music workshop. This video shows the entire process from the briefing to the final performance.
What key? 120. 120, 1564. C major?
So later if we need high melodies. We do a 4 on the floor groove.
The session starts with the following briefing. As a group, create an original piece of music using the T8 and J6 Roland era compact modular synthesizers. The group is then encouraged to decide on these things that you can see pictured before they start making. So you can see here that it's interesting that most people just went into their own zone, headphones on, and started producing on their own without any collaboration. At this point, everyone has connected up their Era Compact devices. They haven't heard what each other have made, and they're pressing play, and you can see what happens.
2, 3, 4.
The group were then given 5 minutes to improve on what they created in their first round of iteration, and you can see there's more collaboration straight away.
Or we all use the sound factor.
I actually removed the bass drum because I know that other people are going to come. So if you are going to daisy chain it, then
2 more minutes.
It's going to stand out anyway, so I just want to make sure that it's not on the beat so that it's
You can see here there's already been some decisions made that are different to the first time they pressed play. They've connected up their instruments again, but this time they've elected someone to become the orchestra conductor, and you can see they're now pressing play on each device one at a time to start building their piece of music.
Yeah, so whenever you're ready, you bring yours in.
So in that performance or that playing, there's still a few issues. So we gave the group another 2 minutes to fix, to chat, to work together to make things great.
specialized on the hi-hats.
Okay. Okay. I will do the bass with Matthew, and then what I'll do is I'll probably cut.
And then here comes the final performance. You can see that it sounds much better, and there's even some conducting or direction from the orchestra conductor. And yeah, we get a piece that's pretty cool.
think the delay. Let's play live. Try it again. One more time, one more time. All through the delay and color. We always like volume a bit. And then on the count of 3, we all stop. Higher, louder, 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 louder. Louder, louder. 5, 4, 3, 2, stop.
I think what we love about this activity is that it really demonstrates informal learning in practice. It's all about the group making decisions. It's about facilitation by the leader or the person conducting the workshop and sort of getting out of the way to allow space for leaders to emerge, for group dynamics to build, for decisions to be made based on ear and on theory and understanding that people bring to the session. It's fun to see the progression from real kind of deer in the headlights, don't know what to do, to a collaborative performance at the end. If you enjoyed watching through that process and you want to have something like this at your school for your students or for a team of teachers, get in touch. We'd love to work with you to explore electronic music in a hands-on and highly collaborative way.